Hey everybody, this is Steve from OpenBOM, and I'm excited to bring to you this release, April 24th, 2020 of Fusion, OpenBOM Bills of Material on Fusion drawings. Let's get started. I've already used the OpenBOM added to create a bill of material of that bicycle in Fusion. It's multi-level. I've also used some of the OpenBOM features to add additional information, cost, bin location, some assembly notes, other things that did not come from CAD. I used OpenBOM to extend this bill of material. I've done that, as well as I've asked OpenBOM to keep track of the costs for me, and I've added some labor. Keep in mind, cost and labor did not come from Fusion. Those are things we added later using OpenBOM. So, okay, so I've got a bill of material ready. I'm going to go ahead and open my drawing. And I've got a drawing started here for the assembly. I'm going to use the template manager inside of OpenBOM to identify those things I want in my drawing. Here I've added bins and assembly notes and things that I want to have in the BOM on my drawing. Again, they're not coming from Fusion. They're coming from OpenBOM. So finally, let's go ahead and choose that bill of material that I just created and added to, and let's put it on the face of the drawing. What's really cool here is that this is a full citizen in Fusion, so these columns can be added and edited and moved, and I can edit the text in here, make changes and things like that. So anyway, that's the exciting news. I hope you enjoy it. We always love to hear from you at support@openbom.com.